Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your health, liver health. The liver plays a vital role in detoxifying our bodies and maintaining overall well-being. When it becomes overloaded with fat, it can lead to serious health issues. That's where lecithin comes in. Just 1 teaspoon of this natural remedy can help cleanse fat from the liver, promoting better liver function and overall vitality. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of lecithin for liver fat reduction and share practical tips on how to easily incorporate it into your diet. Stay tuned for insights that could transform your health. Lecithin is a fatty substance found in various foods, primarily sourced from soybeans and egg yolks. It plays a crucial role in the body, particularly in fat metabolism and liver function. Lecithin is rich in phospholipids, which are essential for maintaining cellular health. These phospholipids help break down fats, making it easier for the liver to process and eliminate excess fat. By supporting liver function, lecithin contributes to overall metabolic health and aids in preventing fatty liver disease. Incorporating lecithin into your diet can enhance your body's ability to manage fats effectively, promoting better health and vitality. Understanding its benefits is the first step toward a healthier lifestyle. The importance of liver health. Maintaining a healthy liver is essential for overall health, as this vital organ performs numerous functions, including detoxification and metabolism. The liver filters toxins from the blood, processes nutrients, and produces bile to aid digestion. However, when fat accumulates in the liver, it can lead to common issues like fatty liver disease, which can impair these critical functions. A compromised liver can affect your energy levels, digestion, and even weight management, making it harder to maintain a healthy lifestyle. By prioritizing liver health, you can enhance your body's ability to function optimally, ensuring you feel energized and well-balanced every day. Taking care of your liver is taking care of your health. How lecithin cleanses the liver. Lecithin plays a vital role in cleansing the liver through several mechanisms. One of its primary functions is emulsifying fats, which breaks them down into smaller particles, making them easier for the liver process. This emulsification helps prevent fat accumulation, promoting a healthier liver. Studies have shown that lecithin can effectively reduce liver fat, supporting its role in liver health. Additionally, lecithin aids in bile production, which is crucial for fat digestion. Bile helps transport fats from the digestive system to the liver, where they can be metabolized efficiently. By enhancing these processes, lecithin contributes significantly to maintaining a clean and functional liver. Incorporating lecithin into your diet. Adding lecithin to your daily meals is easier than you might think. Start by including food items rich in lecithin, such as whole grains like oats and brown rice, as well as legumes like soybeans and lentils. If you prefer a more concentrated source, consider lecithin supplements. Look for high-quality options derived from soy or sunflower. When it comes to recipes, try adding a tablespoon of lecithin granules to your morning smoothie for a creamy texture and added health benefits. You can also sprinkle lecithin on salads or mix it into salad dressings for a nutritious boost. These simple changes can help you enjoy the benefits of lecithin effortlessly. Potential side effects and considerations. While lecithin is generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and considerations. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions or sensitivities, particularly if they have allergies to soy or eggs, which are common sources of lecithin. Before starting any lecithin supplement, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Additionally, moderation is key. Incorporating lecithin into a balanced diet is essential for optimal health. Overconsumption can lead to digestive issues, so aim for a sensible approach. By being mindful of these factors, you can safely enjoy the benefits of lecithin. In summary, we've explored the remarkable benefits of lecithin for liver health and its role in cleansing fat from the liver. By emulsifying fats and supporting bile production, lecithin can significantly enhance liver function and overall well-being. We encourage you to take action by incorporating lecithin into your diet, whether through natural food or supplements. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these health tips. Your engagement helps us continue providing valuable content. So let's embark on this journey to better health together.